What's up, y'all? It's Leaving Marks, and today is a very exciting day. As y'all can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be tuning my 540. So, as y'all know, it's 2021, so we have to take it down to Femto in Miami to get the ECU unlocked. So I'm about to pull the ECU out right now, and my friend's going to take me down there, and then we're going to do that whole process. I got the car January 2nd, so about 3 months, probably a little bit over 3 months now, and we're already tuning it, so I'm excited for that. I'm gonna walk you guys through the process of taking out the ECU as well, just in case. I know there's tons of videos out there, but why not? And then, yeah. I already did this, but first thing you wanna do is disconnect the negative terminal on your battery. Make sure you put a microfiber or something there so it doesn't accidentally touch. I like to tie a microfiber around the latch just so it doesn't close, and put your rear seats down just in case. All right, now we in the engine bay. Just pop this cover up. And then here's your ECU. So there's 6 connectors. I saw a video where he like marked each one with like some chalk, so that's probably what I'm gonna do, like a chalk marker, like 1 dot for 1, 2 dots for 2, and keep going all the way back. They kind of have their own color on them though, so it shouldn't be too hard to remember, but I'm just gonna do that just to be safe. All right, so for the first one, I'm just gonna put 1 dot right here, just like that. And then in order to take it off, you push this down and then release this right here. It comes out. And just wiggle it out just like that. For the second one, do 1 dot right here, 1 dot right here for 2. Same thing, push down, pull this back. It should wiggle out. That's 2. So now they're all disconnected. I think there's tabs, yeah, like right here on the side. I'm probably just gonna get a screwdriver. I don't know if you can see right there, there's like a black tab. Pull that out. I'm gonna get a screwdriver, a flathead, and see if I could release that and then pull the ECU out. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, just pulled the ECU out. Let me quickly show y'all the tabs I was talking about. They're right here. Here's one right there, and the other one is right here. You can honestly do it with your hands if you just like pull back right here and just lift it out. All right, ECU is out. I'm gonna put some blue tape on it, write my order number, and probably like my VIN. All right, so as y'all can see, we made it back. I already installed the ECU back in. It's actually the next day, because when I came back, it was a little dark and I had some stuff to do. So we already reinstalled the ECU back. Here you can see the chalk markers. I don't know if I'm gonna wipe them off. I might wipe them off, but I might just leave it just in case. I mean, why not? But yeah, everything reinstalled, fit back easily. Put that back and just close it down. It's like nothing ever happened, but now the car's ready to tune. All right, y'all, so it's the next day. Look what we got. Yes, sir. It's time to go stage 2. All right, so I have a fan on it because I was driving. Needed it to cool down, but it's been like that for like an hour now, so I know it's cool. I disconnected the battery in the trunk. I don't think you have to, but just did it to be safe. So now we're gonna remove this intake so that we can get more space. All right, y'all, as you can see, we got the intake removed. So we got hella space to see the downpipe. So we're gonna take off the O2 sensors and undo the clamp up here. Then go under the car, undo that clamp, and the whole downpipe should be out. All right, y'all, shit was a pain, but we got the stock downpipe out. You see the exhaust down there. It's time to put the new one on. This should be a lot easier than taking this one out. So let's get to it. We gotta transfer the O2 sensors over though real quick, and then we can do it. We're in the middle of filming another video because I forgot to clip this part. But as you can see, the downpipe's installed, O2 sensors back in, and everything is perfect. All right, so I kind of had a very long debate on what tune to go with, whether like boot mod or MHD. I was on boot mod with the F10, so I was gonna go with that initially, but I put a poll on my story, like for other like B58 owners and just like any BMW owners opinions on like which one to go with for me, and the poll was like heavily skewed towards MHD. People were even reaching out to me telling me why MHD is better, and that, you know, they've had some people or some friends tell them that like boot mod has issues with their off-the-shelf tunes, stuff like that, but like no one had anything bad to say about MHD, so I'm going with MHD. So that's really my most deciding factor, because I know both of the platforms off-the-shelf tunes are similar, like you're not really gonna see much of a difference, but both of them have the features that I want. Like I'm probably gonna go flex fuel. A lot of people say MHD's flex fuel is better, like the sensor doesn't have issues, whatever. So that's why I ultimately just went with MHD. Alright y'all, so as you can see, we got the MHD app. I put in my license and we're gonna flash a regular MHD map. So we're gonna put it in diagnostic mode, just click this 3 times. Now we in diagnostic mode. On flash, make sure you turn off the AC. Turn off the AC. You see we're in it now. I'm gonna quickly do my options and then I'm gonna do the map right. Alright, as you can see, we flashing right now. Can't move a muscle. See the air is popping in. All done now, clearing the codes. Alright, let's start her up. Junk sounds so good. I'll get some revs, flybys, POV driving, and yeah. Alright y'all, we just made it to the meet. It's low-key deep, so nice little M2. Okay. That's a hard X4. M2, bro, I'm telling y'all, bro. I really want that next little Hellcat. Clear. You go to the other side. This is tough.
What's going on, bro?
Oh, Porsche. Oh my. SF90. That's clean.
What's up, guys? So we're back with Leaving Marks. We're at a car meet. A lot of finds. We just. Okay.
Anyways, bro. Low key, like a surreal moment. Getting recognized, even though I don't do shit. But hey, this nigga. too much going on, bro. That color is hard. This color is hard. I like that color a lot. Oh, this my dog, bro. He just got this. Gary. Yeah, I seen the green before. The purple. Nah, this M5 is tough. Oh, wide body Mustang? That's crazy. Watch it bounce. Damn. You've seen this before, but this is still hard.
Easy guys, baby.
That's that same one I seen with the paint match turkey.
Oh wow. What, this one? Yeah. We seen it at the other meet, the Bimmer Invasion pre-meet. It's a little Lotus. And you don't see these, bro. This one is tough. It's lowered.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I'm blanked out. I'm so tired.
Another one. You barely see these, bro. I look, you need to do my research on these because I don't really know much about them. Satin black M5. This is clean. F80. Which one are y'all taking in y'all garage? You can only pick one. Which one? Z06, McLaren, or the Porsche? Damn, y'all peep the R8 though. This is tough. Another McLaren. Yo, there's dumb McLarens at this meet, bro. 11 Turbo S. You the wheels, bro. That's hard. Other McLarens. That's what I'm saying. Dumb McLarens. Keep the Ferrari. This is sick. Sorry. R2. I mean, huh? Yeah, I'm about to get to that. Look at this Huracan, bro. It's for, oh yeah. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like, started with a P though. No, this is hard.
You better look under there, boy. You gonna see them things.
I don't see it though.
You better turn your flash on. They back there, boy. You don't upgrade those.
For no reason, right? Wow, that junk is like full carbon, bro. Good God, bro. This is actually beautiful. Look, GTS. Sorry. Bro, that's the diffuser I want. Gotta get that. I low-key love those taillights on Subarus. Damn. That shit sounded insane. Oh my, is that shit supercharged?
I was in baby.
That boy sound like he's spinning all four wheels. Fours, X3s, they be moving. It's the same vet, bro. moving though. Yo, that's the end of the night. We're gonna go home. If I see some cool cars on the way home, I'll pick the camera back up. If not, then this is the end of the video. Anyways, I've been loving stage 2. More content to come soon. Got an intake on the way. And yeah, peace.